Yeah, so one of the issues that we face as an admin using WordPress is that we cannot customize WordPress dashboard and do any kind of things that we want to do by ourselves. We are so limited and restricted to many things, and that there are things that we are still limited as an admin to do at the back end, which in most of the cases we feel like our which some things can be done or adjusted by WordPress to make WordPress a more powerful tool. So, well, now here there is a plugin that we are working on, which Overshop Digital is working on, and it is majorly for the admin, and it is one of the most powerful website plugin that you might come across. Though it is still at the alpha stage where we are testing and still putting some things together. Well, I just want to show us what we've done and how far we've gone so far. So now the normal WordPress dashboard that everybody knows. I mean, the admin dashboard looks like this, and a lot of things are not added to it. But there is a plugin that we just built and which can change the whole look of everything. That can give you a lot of things. You'll be even amazed by what this plugin can do. Let us activate the plugin. So we've activated the plugin, and it's going to take us on a small journey, which is like this. So these are part of the things that we'll have. You can skip and you can continue. Like you can skip this process and continue to the next step. So this is what we have in the plugin. So we have email modules, we have SMTP, we have contact form, we have newsletter, we have admin URL customizer, we have a spam protection, we have code snippets, we have a redirection, we have admin 12, we have login redesign, who is admin, menu editor, and many more. We have many more. These are the essential ones that if you need, you can just put them on, and once you by default, some will be on, like it will be ticked. So if you don't like them, you can just uncheck them, or you can skip, or you can continue. If I click on continue, or so here, this is a place where I don't mean you are using this particular plugin on an existing website, and you have an SMTP, so you can copy, or you can copy all the settings from that particular SMTP plugin that you are using to the SMTP plugin to the SMTP module that we have in this particular plugin, and you continue. But here we don't have an SMTP because this is a new website, so we will continue. But if I don't mean we have there is a SMTP plugin, you can just, there is a button that is going to display here, which you can just click on import. So it will import all the settings from the other settings from all other SMTP plugin and bring it to you will click on continue. So yeah, so this is the congratulation part, the last part of the plugin. So you can go to your dashboard. So this is how it's going to look like. So the dashboard, we are still working on it, but for now, this is how it looks like. So we have a user account, we have the modules that are on, we have quick access and every other stuff like that. So we have the settings which we can click on, and you see that we have a lot of functions like 14 modules. So here we have the communication, here we have an email, SMTP, contact form, notification channel. So the reason this one is okay, we're still working on this particular one, but I will show you what we have inside them. So we have spam protection, we have login redesign, we have social login, we have post snippets, we have a content duplicator, we have a redirect manager, we have dashboard module, which is this particular this dashboard, the settings dashboard, and the normal dashboard that we have. Then we have admin swag, custom admin footer, and debugging. At least it will indicate if your site, if you put it on anytime your site has a debugging mode. Like we also have a data management where you can keep all your data after uninstall. After you uninstall and you delete the plugin. If you keep all data, it will still be on your database. And if you remove all data, if you click on this and save all settings, once you delete the plugin, all the information and every other stuff related to this plugin will be deleted from your database. And you can also come here to reset to default. Maybe you are doing something at the hosting go to this, you can reset the plugin.